Yesterday, I rolled back from the front, got injured. A Baba Yaga mine exploded above me.
Russian troops attempted to raise their tricolor flag over Toretsk in Donetsk Oblast, but Ukrainian forces foiled the effort before it could succeed, Ukraine's Predator Brigade, part of the Patrol Police Department, reported. According to Ukrainian troops, a Russian soldier climbed a mining tower in Toretsk to raise the Russian flag. The Predators attacked him with a drop strike, and our artillery, from the 28th Mechanized Brigade, finished the job. As a result, they didn't even manage to unfurl the rag, the brigade said. Meanwhile, another Russian group tried to sneak the tricolor into the city by tossing it onto a building. However, a bomber from the Predator Brigade quickly took it down using a grenade launcher. The Institute for the Study of War reported that Russian occupation forces had advanced in the Kurakhove and Toretsk directions, as well as in central Chasiv Yar. Ukrainian troops managed to push Russian forces back in part of Toretsk. Yevhen Alkimov, press officer for Ukraine's 28th Separate Mechanized Brigade, Knights of the Winter Campaign, said that the front line no longer exists in the urban areas of Toretsk, as Russian troops continue massing personnel and launching assault waves in the city. Deep state analysts refuted claims that Russia had fully occupied Toretsk, confirming that fighting is ongoing and that Ukrainian forces continue to resist. They reported that battles were concentrated in the Zabalka district and on the northern and western outskirts, while Russian forces control nearly the entire city center. Nazar Voloshin, spokesman for Ukraine's Khortytsia Operational Strategic Group, confirmed that Russian forces are conducting daily assault operations in Toretsk. The enemy's main efforts are focused on the Toretsk mine, north, the central mine, south, and the area near school number 5, Voloshin said. They are mining logistical routes, even their own rear positions. Where they can't mine, they create obstacles using controlled demolitions or debris to slow movement. Unidentified drones were spotted 6 times in January over a German military base in Schwezing, where Ukrainian troops are training, Der Spiegel reported. According to an internal report first cited by Süddeutsche Zeitung, suspicious drones were spotted over a German base where Ukrainian troops are training, raising concerns about possible espionage. Despite signal jamming efforts, the German military was unable to down the drones or identify their operators. Der Spiegel reports that the North Sea Air Base, designated a special security zone, is used to train both German troops on the Patriot system and Ukrainian air defense forces. The Bundeswehr suspects Russian intelligence may be involved. Since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, the German military has regularly detected unidentified drones near its bases. Vehicles linked to the Russian embassy in Berlin have also been spotted at Bundeswehr facilities. The drone sightings over Schwetzingen are particularly concerning, the report notes, as the Bundeswehr's countermeasures proved ineffective, raising questions about its ability to defend against UAV threats. Between November 20th and 22nd, 2024, unidentified drones were also seen over 3 UK air bases. In December, drones were reported over Germany's Ramstein air base. Similar incidents have been recorded in several US states. In January 2025, Danish police launched an investigation into reports of about 20 drones over the port of Køge, southwest of Copenhagen. Soldiers of Russia's 247th Air Assault Regiment, instead of being sent to the hospital, are dispatched to the front lines with injuries. Shrapnel wounds to the head and broken arms are not considered reasons to abandon their positions.
Yesterday, I rolled back from the front, got injured. A Baba Yaga mine exploded above me. After that, I got a concussion, an injury. Shrapnel is in my right leg, here in the bone. The shoulder is shattered. I don't know what's with the shoulder because they aren't taking me to the hospital. They don't want to take me. They said it's all minor. You'll go to the front line again today. They want to take me to the front line again. All the wounded were gathered half an hour ago and taken away. Someone had a broken leg. One even has a fragment lodged in the head. And even with a broken arm, with a broken right arm. The boy Nick was taken there for negotiations.
Footage of Russian tanks, BMPs, and troops being annihilated near Vyazhev by the 3rd Assault Brigade. Russia's armored losses in Ukraine have been staggering, highlighting both tactical failures and Ukraine's effective use of modern anti-tank weapons. Since the start of the full-scale invasion, thousands of Russian tanks, armored personnel carriers, and infantry fighting vehicles have been destroyed, abandoned, or captured. Ukrainian forces, armed with Western-supplied javelins, NLAWs, and Stugna P missiles, as well as drones and artillery, have turned Russian armor into easy targets, especially in poorly coordinated assaults. Russia's reliance on outdated Soviet-era tanks, such as the T-62 and even T-55, underscores its struggles to replace frontline losses. Many advanced tanks, including T-90Ms, have also been neutralized, proving vulnerable to modern Western weaponry. Ukraine's effective use of drone-guided artillery strikes and minefields has further devastated Russian armored columns. 2 tanks, 2 APCs, 2 IFVs, and a BTS-4 armored tractor. Russian equipment damaged and destroyed thanks to the successful work of strike drone operators from Ukraine's Pomsta Brigade Phoenix Drone Regiment. Ukraine's Pomsta Brigade and its Phoenix Drone Regiment play a crucial role in modern drone warfare, striking Russian positions with high-precision attacks. Specializing in FPV and long-range drones, Phoenix has effectively targeted enemy armor, supply lines, and fortifications, disrupting Russian operations. Their agility and adaptability give Ukraine an edge, compensating for artillery shortages with precision drone strikes. As drone warfare continues to evolve, Pomsta and Phoenix exemplify Ukraine's innovative approach to countering Russia's numerical advantage with technology and strategy. The car carrying Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić lost a wheel. The Serbian president was not harmed, but local security services will now investigate the incident. Whether it was just a damaged or burst tire, as I believe, or something else, that is for the competent authorities to determine. They will take care of it. I arrived in Mokrin and got into another car, Vučić stated regarding the incident. Some experts are pointing out illogical aspects of these incidents. First, there are no rotating lights on the convoy, which Serbian President Vučić explained by saying he didn't want them. However, the reaction of both the security team and the president himself appears very casual, and it seems they are not following any emergency protocol. Additionally, the way the tire flew off the car is highly unusual.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.